Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Tanvita's World. Here I am Kirti to share something little bit different today. What is that? Are you excited to learn that? Are you excited to listen that topic? Nothing is there. Some little bit grammar, helping verbs. I want to share helping verbs. What is the difference between how to use could, would, should? And again you are saying grammar. I can't able to learn grammar. I don't want to listen this one. Don't think like this. Little bit grammar is also needed to improve your fluency, to get better fluency to talk with someone. It's not good effective way to talk with someone without helping verbs, some connectors. So you should learn some little bit. So I will explain very brief way so that you can understand very well. You can use this helping verbs in daily basis, daily sentences, so that your way of communication, way of expression, everything it's going to be good. So I will tell you what is the difference between could, should, would, how to use the regular basis. So without further delay, let's get into the video. Well, alright. Listen carefully guys, because this is very important to use this could, should, would in daily basis. So you should listen and please do watch till the end. Then only you will get some clarity how to use this one. So okay, could, should, would. Today we will go for difference between this one. So could is cheyagalganu. Cheyagalganu means it is past tense. చెయ్యాలి, ఒకప్పుడు చేసేవాడిని, ఒకప్పుడు. Try to observe difference. చేయగలిగాను. And one more thing I want to say guys, better understanding purpose only I am using explaining in Telugu only, so that just understand, don't mind, please understand the situation and try to watch it. Thank you. First of all you can go for the could. How it is make a sentence. గతంలో చేయగలిగాను అని చెప్పే సందర్భాలలో we can use for helping verb could. What is the structure? Subject, could, verb and extra words. What you need, then we can add extra words. So we have to follow this sentence. For example, చేయగలిగాను, మాట్లాడగలిగాను, నేర్చుకోగలిగాను, పరిగెత్తగలిగాను. This is the words. These places we can use for good. సో మనం ఎప్పుడైతే చేయగలిగానో, పరిగెత్తగలిగానో వీటి ప్లేస్లలో మనం కుడ్ని యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ఒకసారి చూద్దామా. నేను ఆ పని చేయగలిగాను. నేను ఆ పని చేయగలిగాను. ఆ పని నేను చేయగలిగాను మీన్స్ ఐ కుడ్ డూ. నేను చేయగలిగాను, ఐ కుడ్ డూ. ఆ పని means that work. I could do that work. I could do that work. Another example, నేను వారితో మాట్లాడగలిగాను. నేను వారితో మాట్లాడగలిగాను. I could talk. వారితో, to them. I could talk to them. So like this we can use for could. చేయగలిగాను, పరిగెత్తగలిగాను, తయారు చేయగలిగాను. Like this, where you can get galigano like this, we can use for could. Next helping verb is should. Should means చెయ్యాలి, ఖచ్చితంగా చేయాలి. ఆజ్ఞలు పాస్ చేయడం, ఆర్డర్స్ ఇవ్వడం, అదర్వైజ్ ఆర్డర్ వేయడం వర్క్ గురించి, లేదా బాధ్యత, వాగ్దానాలు, ఇలాంటి ప్లేస్లలో యూ కెన్ యూస్ ఫర్ షుడ్. బట్ వీ కెన్ యూస్ ఎనీవేర్, present or past tense and future tense also. According to or based on sentences. So you can use for structure is S, should, V1 verb, extra words. So you can follow this structure and you can make a sentences. It is a should means it is a responsibility. You have to do the work in time. So we can go for the examples, right? నీవు ఆఫీస్కి సమయానికి రావాలి. నీవు సమయానికి రావాలి, ఇన్ టైం. సమయానికి రావాలి. You should come. నీవు రావాలి. You should come to office in సమయానికి, in time. You should come to office in time. You have to complete this work in time. Like this you have to use this should. బాధ్యత, వాగ్దానాలు, ఆజ్ఞలు పాస్ చేయడం, like this. సో అనదర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఈస్, నువ్వు ఆమెతో మాట్లాడాల్సిందే, ఖచ్చితంగా మాట్లాడాల్సిందే. సో యూ షుడ్ టాక్ with her. You should talk with her. Like this way you have to use this should. There is no difference. చేయగలిగాను, past tense. చెయ్యాలి, this is the order. You should do that work. There is no other chance to you. Orders past tense. Based on that you have to use helping verb should. Next helping verb is would. ఒకప్పుడు చేసేవాడని అని చెప్పే సందర్భాలలో we can use for the would. చేసేవాడిని, నేర్చుకునేవాడిని, పరిగెత్తగలిగేవాడిని, తినేవాడిని, వినేవాడిని, ఈ వర్డ్స్లో we can use for in front of this would. It will make you some little bit different sentence. So you can use this would. గతంలో చేసేవాడిని అని చెప్పే సందర్భాల్లో మాత్రమే. సో సబ్జెక్ట్, would, V1 verb and extra words. For example, we can see the example is, అతడు చిన్నతనంలో చాలా బాగా ఈదాడాడు. He would swim. అతడు ఈదాడేవాడు. He would swim. చాలా బాగా, very well. చిన్నతనంలో, in his childhood. He would swim very well in his childhood. Next example is, ఆమె నిజం చెబుతుంది. She would tell always truth. She would tell always truth. So like this we can use this helping verbs. It's make you very fluency by using connectors or helping verbs. So this is the difference only. So you can observe this one. Could is చేయగలిగాను. Should is చెయ్యాలి. You should do that work. Would ఒకప్పుడు చేసేవాడిని. అబ్జర్వ్ ద సేమ్ డిఫరెన్స్. ఈ ప్లేస్లలో మనం యూజ్ చేస్తాం. అబ్జర్వ్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ అండ్ మేక్ యూ సెంటెన్సెస్ వెరీ బెటర్ వే. అండ్ డోంట్ థింక్ అబౌట్ 3 words in single day. Don't think about it. One day you have to take could, make a sentences and try to use that sentences, talk with friends or anyone. Otherwise talk yourself only. And next day you can follow this should. On third day you can use this one. And fourth day, fifth day you can practice 3 words. You know very well difference. So try to use helping verbs to talk with someone. Alright, I am done today's video. I think you will understand very well difference between could, should and would. So try to use these helping verbs to make good effective sentences. And you have to follow every weekend I will provide you one grammar video. Try to watch it, then only you will get some grammar and get some fluency on you. It will help you a lot. And if you get any good information in this video, just give me one like, guys, and it will reach some more people. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I will come up with the next interesting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.